Bibia Aqua Bashongo Edeba Afrique Media. It was for a bread as to say, a proper moon send you to and come more. Little relationships and the air corner air banner say, Yaba, come up for do a boom yet, some month for team so. And the yes, your woman says, say, and Fabi, and you go to dream near Mobra, and no, and I sabi, I show up on the before Edeba Somo. Now, yes, and some more baby. I didn't be at the 2 jar, and be here passive. According to Obey or Twitter user, now the Nakusa 2 jars and a pair of Vinya above for Macho Madrid their phone with their one. According to Abayuano, what dating a brand to be for 10 good months. We're dating a 10 months. Or dating a 10 months new year, or the one or Pavia notice when you call. To say a brand and a man which is a relationship now, Connie serious stage at the Nimami, any more baying. Obey any phone call from a brand and mamma say, Apotoyam say, oh, Nasty been a friend. Was so fair or before phone it, they are so ever catching a so picky corner sales as she soon the Indian as a good trap. I said, dear Nepo, so I didn't know soon. I didn't say, make a sa. Now still said, Ni can't you man a boyfriend. They need a swan be behind a sad that's why what they are not dear no. They can't you man at one and hour and said, I just when your accident. Motor accident no and nan so mano atana no nsedo na sa asem we wine na air pay tip there was a form asem ne free year ka asem we kire na abaye su ahwe ni so da be na yin we ba wo su nia na se ne kanchi man boyfriend na down for ben pa so beta no ho a wo kroko no nya we na me be kire na me be ye nda so ho e de ha enye ewebi ye ni enkwa wo ho enkwa so ho de ne nda so aba na nti de se nkran hye se mo nya na otie eye bre edrusu no obisa asew eye ni eye we se ni esifa ye no na de se wo pemuntiri asew kire ne se eye ni de enka no nko anka obeba onu asew no nko anka ma no kwa ma na ba na so akwaye se eye na se ne busuafo beba adofo beba obi a beba nti se ba ne so no so bebia enkire mu no ahwe na anko ndi amwa no obisa se de ntina wo so me kanchi ma ne wu se emfata sa eye oyere enosu Bema enye kanchima ana say girlfriend be that be entimi possibility aso ka se mwetu obayi etrim emaneti asese ye na se de won't be mepem wo bi enti wotifie na ye kiche na na chene na me atom onya kuduo no movie on mo na brabum after 5 years ebusefo asemesi no echikoi na asemechi omuntini ye twa ehumra sisi a na ye ba enchemu na bidi so ade amam. Ha, ebusiafo me da se pa se wo so je bretchen ye ma itwa iwo eba ye na ye ko abayo ne ensem no emu no ye hye na makan se mo cho no pepe e de ma say 5 years back on this day I received a call from my boyfriend's mother telling me her son was involved in a car accident and died on the spot. To make it short, she asked me not to attend his funeral since we aren't married. Today, I met her son at the mall with his wife and twins. I remember meeting his only friend I knew. Nigga consoled me, even wiped my tears, showing sympathy towards me, telling me it will pass and I shall go on with my life. He's in a better place now. I remember mourning his death, used to cry to sleep. We dated for 10 months. Everything was perfect. We loved each other, but fake death happened. It was a form saying about one of the names of no etcetera. 19 years said, yes, see about your name about appointing said, I brought to Korea and I can't money dated 10 years. I no more serious relationship. I was a funny bemuno. It was a for I see woo. I will never to accident. I brought to Korea no. We share no 5 years afterwards. I will more. I brought in the year and in a month for and a I want our wedding. Hey, I say me. Yo, send it there. But what the other for drink chef from at your comment section or na epia, baby also. Epia. Who knew can't you ho? When they teacher, neither I the chamber could be a cousin we are chill. Now could be a chin as a young cry. One cabin.
Jonah, ma, Meda was saying, Namana Macunia so achia a year with tea for any wash for. I buy a year and see me, dear, just may dream one and say a year I see. The mood of my woman. Mammy Afro, a catch son in a Benya motor accident. ama yonko ye boyfriend na woni na date for 10 months ayaka cho se wo wu no ne yonko a wonim etimi ba wo nchen ba chichire wo bre eka cho se o je de esie no fa manyame
is in a better place
na me ne nim de ye no ye ma ne ma ai je bi wa je bi ti ase nti e ya
but they not talk out
ubenya bia ye de asha nan mema nsa ye ya hye wo se nkura we nyina awie na ade a me busa ne se ye ka se eye na se mensi wonum e na wo de wo ye setie e na wansi wonum ma enti anyem bia o te se eye bi koso eno ne ade a medwen ho a menti ase
it's a second to the one already ni mother ono abema na ni mama
o se eno me bi wo honum a on se ema ye curious e wo ne o me bi hu wa wu kura mpo yes membe mfunu no memba eye e honum a you can disguise yourself and go so betimi aye hwehwemu oh nipa sumesi a obenten oh eye de a ube hu nkrofobia betimi abusa yes maami asumesi ne bewu eyampa na hin no mo ye aye no eye de a wo bete unena mo mpotem ho no mo a baabi a maame ne tie ne baabi a nim se boy ne etia
e mi jo no ba onu ani maame na afre wo maame na afro se me bewu enti emeyi na se obe krapa obe kubetie krapa se krabuse ni dukra no wu no mo ye bi ye na ye se ozo
enti obushini no mo ye na yi akoko o de ko onum koko hwebie jitum hunu wa enti ho nipa na wu wa hu ni poster wa hu se na danfo ni potire de na to na yi so ne start so rest in peace wa hu bi
obi to wa so hu bi na se ade omunni aka omuti abo no ma ya ade
omunni na aka omuti abo no ma ya ade ba yesto say yakacho say men ko baby na so wa gia to ma bra wonim say me okay all those say biasa wo je ma me no ensem no edi ye e no di tu anamon a abaya no wo twa wrong meat
na je obi a wo don no a just maybe after 10 months say the mo ka
kwa it's na wo se nka wo ntu anamon no
na so how many people are obi a wo don no beti asemi say for na those of say obe person obe hunu for the last but ya die no kwa no person obe die di guarantee o person wa avoid
nana ma se wonim pa se yesi ni pa so masi ewu yesi mensi ho say aho anyem bia abusuafo no enti abrante no osi so no ne nafofo nyina na omunim da bia no be bi wo ho no mo a ne nafofo nyina na omunim o school no na omudi na chi wo munim so ne classmate ni enti you can come as a classmate not a girlfriend madam for me baba
go free mama no say me ma name bantu ogina so wono so
me classmate me baba be yes wawu enti nkofo wo mo obu o krampa je say mama bi wo ma na ebusofo bo wo mutimi nya ye nkofo bi timi be ebusa say na we hu amunom so be say ye ne nkrofo ye bia be say bia ne classmate wo mo no ko school enye obi an onim no enti you can go okay ma o de wa come at ba say metimi abati say ye classmate and say metimi abati say na woko na
bebre su ni minu so
se bebre ni mu wa omu ni mu se ne girlfriend ne wa se wo kwa akwahwe ko pe o la se yi na ne no anu no wafi wo no nya fi na akwako display wo ho ene mi kune ene ke ya baba wari o ene no ne yeso ko na koye wo ho se wo pese wo hu nipa no wo hu se wo ko pe o last respect e de amano no wo hu se ampa wo susu waja ne ji kra no no susu ye efunu susu wo se ampa na wote ase na wo susu odo no ba wo de wetimi atena se fine ai yesi ma memba enti wo susu wo se wo nko ena wuti fie na wusu ena ye da na danfo susu ti wo nchen ena ye console wu ena mensu ena seyo ena jese nyame na de ma ono ana oje enti de chechire wo bre ena ya kasa nsem we nyina ede acho na susu waje ede atum omu hu sa baya no ofu enu nti na omode ye no omu hu ne say ye so easy to be convinced enuntia because say enante ka be ma no so krampo no say odo wa passen ko odo nsusu a anko won hwe say ne maame ne nadamfo entimi emplan say dey we emfa endi obi a odo no
say be ma na anga say no wafa ne ho adwe
obekwan
bi eja no no ohu
onya kwan enti ene maame wo de say dey abaye yi jiwudie yi wo say abaye na adwumu ha ai na say adwumu ha nsusu de na say pedua na bre nti onim say adwen ni mu de ha nti ene ma me ka asem a obejeje na all you could know no ebi a relationship ni mu no o munya misunderstanding ni bibia be hu na ebi a girl na friend ma me no na waka chen say bia ma wa hu de nipa so ma sia ye na ma me na friend ne ba nti onim say ma me no ni yakofa bai ewo relationship no emu enti wo hu ni say okay fine ene ma me pese me njai girl no because me hu ni say me mpeni biem ni say enti na ma me nso de ono de ne bai pe no ne bai ni je no na obai ama no
no kresa amu na so ekia esem nia the possible ni say odi atro na obi twa de no eti say ka wo na obi eti wa atro say ni wa ko hu say boni say na ni pe de ni anka wo de na obai afom
Nana ma nipa no wanya di boni na wie 5 years achi na wakwa ko hu enti afi na wo besa go back kwa su esa kwa ye den biem na wasa kwa ye time no nipa na wo kwa su ama na wo kwa dwen no we moving on enti dey na obey you also move on and you have moved on wo hu no wa hu no okay fine so this is what you wanted there wo pay na wa ye de wakwa fa I didn't mean anything to you I didn't mean anything to you. Say if I meant something to you, Uncle, you wouldn't pay me back with such a painful thing. Uncle, won't fast I out, you know, me shame mu. So wouldn't him say me do, wouldn't him say me pel, wouldn't him say be a mayor at the amount. And say wouldn't him say like oh domia. I didn't know wouldn't mean can't so oh okay. Say me me who's old domi then but like me dear. Me drop any a year a ho emfa emma will be makwa budo dia ma obi for fine na anya wo ba no wa hunu say ene wo mpani bim na je no de beju amane mfa njo na ko ba bi
e wo de sa beju
usuro so de beju nti e na wo
no atofu
wo stage yes say wa ye den wa wuo enti wo kokoto sa de we ya you don't have to go back and think about it as you've been able to move on you just move on no mama na hu say no kwampo na manu hu say wawu mani hu krampo e wo wutiri mani hu krampo wo abrabo mu hu ni say hu a ghost of him na enye the reality of the person
e better was say who final ways be able to media better on that
yo media kakra metimi aka ene say woni wo ba ete woni bema ete adane da meka say enye relationship bia na e wo say e konkosi e wo aware emu na so say bibi ni na mo study mo wona hu ni say oba we mintimi ni na bema we mintimi ni na entempa no na matena se na maka ebia say ni say enu ntim ene na say pata na ba pata oba no say ene esum na wo besum no say den na mo be ya obi abeti ne ho asenti ase be ya adwuma na ngwo yeso obi ebu obi kwase ni say na mo aye na obi ati ne ho ase enu ne ye since obekwa akoye obe stage ni o me bi na say na afi be kwa ko wie che no nipa ni bebe hu krampo na wa baba be kan o me bi e be dane nnumi ana e be dane bibi e de aye den amawo na ma me nsusu a o chese nsusu timi gi gangali abra wonim se wo benwu ye na timi kase wo wuo obada o se wo wu a ebeye ede amount esan say ye den a wo oba no susu na ye ka kire wo bi say wo ye boy na wu na ye bebe ware o kai hu say won susu no ye den ya debi ye de ba wo wani say de timi de wo obi ani no san susu e na de ba wo ye wunsu ani ti wo response a na wa hwe wo de dem de be ka enu no
o response a na wa hwe wo de ampa e wo so for am pause e be for fuchira mi hu life no sara na wo no mba twins ene ye wo ire nam kanto abebem jafo kamede be jiwa owo no be uni the second time we be the realest one no no say yes mama me say yes owo say ni sifate na me wasti me su sa eni so no say na ya sa wo tie ni so etipaye wo mu e wo jafo komone de si a won su a wo hwe ye wo a enkade pa na wo beye Farwa dream no dream wo mu no fatu dry our comment section e biem so no share video way on all the social media platforms Afrique Media so enye na mo bisa na video dey be so me ne kia ne di nkomo na me ya duma e be dey share team akra mu ne a